ViewSonic M1 Max Portable Projector, Smart Streaming, Premium Sound, and Power Bank Functionality. The ViewSonic M1 Max is a compact and versatile portable projector that offers smart streaming, rich audio, and power bank support in a travel-friendly design. With Google TV built-in, Harman Kardon speakers, and a powerful battery, it's designed to bring high-quality entertainment wherever you go. Smart streaming with Google TV. Equipped with Google TV, the M1 Max allows users to access Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and other apps without any external streaming devices. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can stream or mirror content from your phone effortlessly. The familiar Google interface ensures easy navigation and access to your favorite content. Full HD projection up to 100 inches. The M1 Max delivers 1080p Full HD visuals and can project images from 40 to 100 inches. It features a throw distance of 2.6 to 8.8 feet, making it suitable for various room sizes. Auto keystone and corner correction help maintain a clear, rectangular image, even when projecting from different angles. Powerful Harman Kardon audio. Enjoy immersive sound with dual 3W Harman Kardon speakers built right into the unit. For more audio options, the projector supports Bluetooth and a 3.5mm audio output, allowing connection to headphones or external speakers. Portable power with battery and power bank support. The built-in 12,000 mAh battery powers the projector for up to 2 hours and can also charge external devices like smartphones. For extended viewing, you can connect an external USB-C power bank, making it ideal for travel, camping, or outdoor movie nights. Whisper quiet performance and smart features. The projector operates at a low 26 decibels fan noise, ensuring minimal distraction. It features automatic power on when tilted from the off position and includes a 360-degree swivel stand, allowing projection on walls or ceilings with ease. Multiple connectivity options. The M1 Max supports HDMI 1.4 and USB-C video inputs, making it compatible with gaming consoles, laptops, and streaming adapters. Its wireless capabilities and multiple ports provide flexible connection options, compact and travel-friendly design. Weighing just 2.1 pounds, 0.96 kilograms and measuring 7.2 x 5.6 x 2.4 inches, the M1 Max is lightweight and easy to carry. Its sleek design and powerful features make it perfect for both home use and on-the-go presentations. Availability. The ViewSonic M1 Max will begin shipping in April and will be available on platforms like Amazon and the official ViewSonic store.